इनसे पूछते हैं, इनको मालूम है तो बता देंगे। हेलो, आप जानते हो क्या रसोड़े में कौन था?
इधर से चप्पल मारूं क्या?
नहीं पता। Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Sorry for uploading this video so late because I was not well from past few days and I'm still not well. So if I'm sounding very low or sounding really weird, then it's because of the cold that I have. So yeah, I'm recovering, but let's get started with today's video. That's going to be my Instagram followers control my day. So yeah, let's get started. So the first poll that went live was what should I have in the morning, tea or coffee? So people opted for coffee, as you can see here. I'll put it over here. So I don't mind having tea or coffee. Both are fine for me. I'm having cold, so I wanted something hot. So I'll make some hot coffee for me. And yeah, and for the breakfast they opted for oats. So I will have to eat plain oats because we don't have fruits at home. So yeah, let's go make it and eat it because I'm very hungry. So guys, I'm here with the coffee and the oats. One more thing I wanted to mention here is that I cannot smell or taste anything. I'm not getting the flavor of anything. So yeah, that's a problem now. So I have not added sugar in the coffee also to see if I can taste anything or no, because I usually like coffee with sugar. So yeah, let's eat this. I wanted bread and butter, but
A few moments later.
so guys, the next poll said whether I should do grocery shopping or I should clean the house, and you can see all choose clean the house. That's really unfair guys because I'm not feeling well and I'm feeling tired and stuff, but yeah, clean the house it is. I really wanted to go do grocery shopping because there's no stuff in the house as in like vegetables and fruits, and I need all that because I was thinking of starting some weight loss challenges, and for that we need clean eating. But yeah, clean the house it is. Let's do that. So this is the mess that's there in the house. Okay guys, I cleaned the house. I'm out of breath and I'm a little tired, but still I did it for you. So please don't forget to like and share this video. Okay, so the next poll went out whether I should wear Indian or Western outfit, and here you all chose Indian outfit. So I don't mind wearing Indian or Western. I'm fine with both, but I will have to wear that outfit and sit at home because you all did not choose grocery shopping. Yeah, okay. And also along with that poll, I had also put a poll saying whether I should straighten my hair or I should do curls, but I think it's still on 50-50, so I'll wait for some more time and then we'll decide whether we should go for a straighten hair or curls. So yeah, let's go. So Indian outfit is here and the poll said straightening, so we are going to straighten our hair now. Let's straighten. Just to tell you all that I have applied this aloe vera gel from Patanjali before, I've already applied it. I'll do the remaining part and I'll catch you back. So you guys chose straight hair, and thank you for choosing straight hair because I don't know how to do curls. I would have searched on YouTube, but still that would have been a much difficult task to do. I was still thinking if I should do some curls at the end because it was a very close call, like it was almost 53-47%, but I said forget it, let's do straight hair. And yeah, here's straight hair for you, and I'll see you until the next poll.
Later that same evening.
Okay guys, I'm finally done with the dance. I had to take at least 6 to 7 takes to get this perfectly. Y'all just dance over makeup in 1 minute. The last time I danced was in 9th standard, and now I have currently finished my engineering. So you can imagine it's almost 7 years that I have not tried my hand at like proper pure classical dance. Bharatanatyam, that is my form of dance. Also, I've gained a lot of weight from that time, so it was really very difficult to dance. So yeah, I did this for you because you all chose dance, and it's also the Ganesh festival, so I thought let's take this song and dance on this music. So yeah, enjoy the dance.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Much later.
So guys, it's the night now, and I had put a poll whether I should drink haldi milk or kada because of the cold. So you all chose haldi milk, and I like haldi milk. I don't know why, but I like milk. So yeah, this is haldi milk. And one more thing, I had posted whether I should continue the vlog in English or I should continue it with Hindi, and you all chose English, so I'm doing it in English. And I'm not ending it over here because there was one more poll that said whether you want to see Pinky Bua in this video or Dempis, and you all chose the character Pinky Bua. So it's already the night and I'm very tired, so I will do that character tomorrow for you. So I'm going to continue this vlog tomorrow also. And also the last poll went out saying this is the last one and what I should do, sleep and sleep. So both were sleep and sleep because I'm really tired. So yeah, I'm going to sleep now. See you tomorrow.
The next morning.
Hi guys, so today is the next morning, and as I had promised you all, like how you all voted Pinky Bua in the poll, so I'm going to call her now. So yeah, Pinky Bua, हाँ बेटा, क्या हुआ? What is this? Me take an avatar of Kokila Ben. But why? She famous na. Me also want famous he. Oh my god. So now you want to get famous? Like seriously? Okay, now you remove camera. Me act Kokila Ben and me also get famous. Famous he. Fame. Yes. Okay, I'm removing the camera. कल मेरी साड़ी पे जूस गिरा था और मैं दोबारा नहाने गई थी। तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी, तब रसोड़े में कौन था? वह कौन था? मैं थी, तुम थी, मैं थी, तुम थी, कौन था? कौन था?
राशि पे
ये राशि। कुकर में से चने निकाल दिए और खाली गैस कुकर पे चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया। कैसी लगी एक्टिंग?
6 साल मॉस्को, पैसा बर्बाद।
बताना प्लीज। चलो अगली बार मिलती हूँ। बाय। So guys, this was it for the video, and if you like this video then please give it a like and also share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel then check out our channel because we have vlogs, hauls, challenges, funny videos and what not. And I'm also thinking of posting some fitness related challenges, so yeah, do check it out and do subscribe. So yeah, even I'm very happy that I completed this challenge, because even though I was not feeling very well. So yeah, that was all because of you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, see ya. तुम चले चढ़ाकर कुकर में, मैं थी तुम थी, मैं थी तुम थी, चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया, चढ़। आवाज नका करू। हेलो अंकल।
आंटी,
आप जानते हो क्या रसोड़े में कौन था?
तू पागल है क्या?
चलो इनको नहीं पता।